These mini chocolate chip cookies come together in just 10 minutes. Simple ingredients and eggless too. They bake fast and disappear even faster. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. Starting with a clean dry bowl, we will take unsalted butter. It needs to be at room temperature, which is soft enough to mold but firm enough to hold its shape. To this, we will add the brown sugar. You can use home ground regular white sugar or even jaggery, but I highly suggest to use the brown sugar as it gives a beautiful caramelized taste and the extra crisp texture. Now what I'm doing here is creaming the butter and sugar. We don't need to use the whisk as we simply want to emulsify the mixture and not aerate it. Once we've achieved the smooth, creamy consistency, we can go ahead with the next step. Take some room temperature milk into the wet mixture. This is to give the dough a tender crumb on the inside. Mixing this may take just about less than a minute or so. This looks good. Let us go ahead and add all the dry ingredients now. That is the whole wheat flour. You can always use all-purpose flour if you like. To this we will add the baking powder and baking soda. This is to give that subtle rise and also give that light texture. In addition, we will add a pinch of salt to help enhance that flavor. Simply sieve it all through. You could add the dry ingredients directly without sieving, but the purpose for this is to give it that extra light texture. Finally, add the quick oats for that crunch in your cookies. Simply mix it with a gentle hand until all the dry flour has been incorporated. At this point, we will add the mini chocolate chips. In case you don't have these, you can always add chopped chocolate pieces into it. They'll taste just as good, or even better, I'll say. And if you're a chocolate lover, there's no limit to how much you can add. Just make sure there's enough dough to hold it together while baking. Be gentle to bring it all together until you find a clean bowl where it forms into one big ball of dough. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now set that aside and go ahead and call out your little ones and bring out that baking tray lined with the parchment paper. Taking a tiny dollop of dough, form it into a cookie ball. Place it on the tray while gently flattening the tops. Similarly, go ahead and repeat the same. I'm sure your little ones would love to do this. And I love it when they try to sneak in some extra chocolate into the dough for that extra chocolatey cookie. Quite some fun, I'll say. You can get up to 50 such little oat chocolate chip cookies from this batch. This can go into the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes on a low temperature. But make sure to keep a watch. And a slow bake can get your cookie to crisp up. But if you like them soft, bake them at 175 degrees for just about 10 to 12 minutes. These look perfectly baked. You can also make them ahead of time to save up as a school snack for your little ones, or simply have them munch as an evening snack. Time to see how they've turned out on the inside. Perfect light browning on the bottom. They did crisp up nicely as they crushed quite easily on trying to break them. Perfect crumbs, I'll say. Do give it a try and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.